Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. From anywhere you are in the world. Welcome to UC Daily Report, where we are featuring the latest updates on national and international news, politics, sports, music, lifestyle, celebrities, entertainment's news, and more. So today, we are giving you the breaking news of today. Thanks for your attention. Revealed. Why Nnamdi Kanu was denied bail. Ifeanyi Ejiofor, who represents Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of IPOB, claims that the federal government is not yet prepared to file charges against his client. Ejiofor claims that the federal government is holding Kanu in detention indefinitely by employing a number of strategies. He based his claims on the fact that since the IPOB leader was brought before a court in 2015, the federal government had modified the treasonable felony accusations against him 7 times. FG is not ready to hear this case. They are not even ready to try Nnamdi Kanu. What they want to do is they are applying all methods known to them to keep Nnamdi Kanu in perpetual detention. That's what they are doing. I have done many cases. When a counsel is deposed for accelerated hearing of the matter, you will know. How can you tell me that a charge has been amended 7 times since 2015? The last one they amended made it 7 times they amended their charge, either reducing or increasing, and the court will keep on striking some of them out, Ejiofor said on Thursday. With this we have come to the end of the news. Once again, thanks for your concern.